Hey guys, so this is a quick video on how to complete the classwork check or progress check of your work as you are working through your projects. So I'm just going to talk through it very briefly and just sort of focus on maybe this part down here about adding evidence of your work. So most of the questions are pretty straightforward. Your name, just put in your full name and the date. So this is usually the date it's due. So let's assume today was the due date. So put that in there. Have you accessed the instructions? Hopefully the answer there is yes, because you are working on it. But progress so far, most of you probably haven't got this part here, but if you have completed all your work, then obviously choose that option there. Most of you want this one here, where you are still working through it, finished by the end of the day. Now, obviously, if it's an extended project, it won't be the end of the day, but that's the option you choose. And hopefully no one is selecting this one here because this tells me that you haven't done any work and obviously your head of year will be contacted. So that's the option really there that you're choosing for that one there. Now this is a bit that has caught a few people out. So you can upload work from your own hard drive on your computer, or you can upload it from your Google Drive. So to do that, it's pretty straightforward. So if you click on the add file, now to upload from your hard drive, you need to make sure you're on upload and then click on this button here which says select file from your device. Choose the relevant file, whether it's a picture, let's assume it's that there, or if it's a PowerPoint presentation or a Word document, select that and click open. You can add more than one file, so you can add further files if you need to, and then it will add them to this box here. Now this hasn't uploaded yet, so you need to click on the upload button here, and that will then start to upload it, and then you should see them appear in your evidence section there. Now if you've got a file, let's say that's on Google Drive, same process, click add file, go to my drive and choose the relevant file that you are trying to add in. So let's say it was this file here again. Click on that file, then click select. Now I think I've put a limit on how much you can put on here. Obviously we won't expect to put more than maybe 4 or 5 documents or images, but I think there is a limit on the size as well. So make sure they're not huge files. And once you've done that, you can submit, and then that will get sent to me. Hopefully that makes things a little clearer on how to submit evidence. And if there are any problems, please email me and I will try and sort of give you a bit more support with that. Thanks.